Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're doing something different today. I have a parade of purple yarns that I got all for under $6 a ball, and I thought I would share them with you. So I think I'm not really doing them in any particular order, but let's get started. I have, I went shopping at Knit Picks and I found Wool of the Andes. So all the balls I'm going to show you today are under $6 each. I don't think I got any of them on sale. I think that's regular price. This one's Wool of the Andes worsted weight sterling heather, 110 yards, 50 grams. So pretty, so pretty. This one's 100% Peruvian Highland wool. So it is a size 4, and I'll have to do something with this one. Let me see how many yards it is. 110 yards. So I'm going to do something with this one. So the parade of purples. Then I found this one. This is a cotton one. This one's comfy. This is 75% Pima cotton, size 4. Again, another worsted weight, 25% acrylic. It's under $6. And it is 109 yards. And this is the color lilac. In Knit Picks, we crochet comfy style. All right, so I also found sheep G's. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. SCHEEPJES, sheep G's. Stone washed XL, extra large. It is a size 5 bulky yarn. I guess that's what the XL is for. And it is 70% cotton and 30% acrylic. And it is a very lovely marled kind of purple and silvery kind of yarn. Very, very pretty. And it is under $6 a ball. And so find them. I'll put the links in the description below to where you can find these gorgeous, gorgeous little yarns. This one is 75 meters. Oh, look at this. This one has a little tag on it that says easy start, so that you know to start there and to keep pulling from the middle. How awesome is that? Very cute. Anyway, I really like it. So it looks like so far my favorites have been the ones that are like more than a solid color. This one's heathery, and this one's like got some silver streaks in it. And then I do love this color, magenta. They call it lilac, but it's almost magenta-y. Okay, more purples. So I have tons more purple, but these are the ones that were under $6 a ball. So Bernat Satin from Yarn Inspirations, lovely, lovely. This one is called Sultana. This color is Sultana. Now I really like this, and you know, frankly, I didn't used to love the Bernat Satin, and I did a Afghan or two in my book, Afghan Design Workbook, in the Bernat Satin, and I just didn't love it as much as I wanted to. But I feel like this is a different blend or something. This is 100% acrylic. It's 100 grams, 200 yards. I feel like it's not as shimmery as the other colors that I worked with before, but I like this better because I feel like this feels less plasticky and more nice. And so anyway, I think I like the newer version. That was like 9 years ago that I wrote that book. So I think the Bernat Satin is ready for another look from me. Very pretty. And I'm doing purples today, but if you want to see another color, let me know what you think in the description below. Knit Picks Shine Worsted, and this is in Crocus. So this is color 8055 in Crocus, and it's worsted weight, 75 yards, 60% Pima cotton, 40% modal, worsted weight. So very pretty. It's because it's mostly cotton, it does feel like cotton, but it's very, very soft. So here's another purple. This one is a little bit more berry, and this one is a little more winey. If you want to see the two next to each other, they are different varieties of yarn, different fiber contents. So they are not the same variety or style of yarn, but they're from the same company. Okay, here's another one. So I've got just a couple more for you, and then I really had to dig in my stash because I know I have even more, but I don't remember if they're under the $6 a ball that I was trying to keep for you today. Cascade Yarns, look at this. So this is Cherub Aran, under $6 a ball, and $6 US dollars a ball. Machine wash, warm, tumble dry, 55% nylon, 45% acrylic, 100 grams, 240 yards. So this one is the biggest yardage of the ones so far, except for maybe the Bernat satin, which is also 200 yards. So it's a good value, 240 yards for a $6 ball. This may have been $5.99. I mean, it may have hit right at that $6 mark. But when I bought all these, I was, or maybe was I keeping it under $7? Around $6 a ball, maybe $6.50. I don't remember. I'll have to double check. But I was trying to keep it all in the price range. Anyway, this one is very pretty, and I like this one. It is maybe a little less mulberry than this Bernat satin, but it's more of a dusty plum color, really pretty. And then this one, you guys have already seen this one. This one is the Paint Box yarn from Love Crochet or Love Knitting Paint Box Yarns, and this is the color 246, and you've seen me demonstrate this one on the channel. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and if you want me to do a tour of another color, just let me know and I will do it for you. Also, let me know a price point that you're interested in, and I will find you a range of yarns in that price point, and we will keep on touring together. Take care, everybody. Bye.